Looking for the best trading apps in the UK? We tested them hands-on, and what we found might surprise you. At InvestingGuide, we believe reviews should reflect the real user experience. That's why we tested the UK's top trading apps on both iOS and Android, opening real accounts, placing trades, contacting support, and checking how easy it is to manage your portfolio on the go. All apps in this video are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and we've only included platforms we personally tested. We focused on mobile performance, ease of use, available tools, execution speed, security features, fees, and whether the app actually works well in real market conditions. If you want to learn more about our testing process, visit investingguide.co.uk how we test. Let's look at the UK's top trading apps and which one is right for you. eToro, best app for beginners and social trading. eToro's mobile app is one of the most beginner-friendly we tested. It's simple to use, clearly designed, and works reliably even under market stress. The app includes social trading features, letting you copy top-performing traders directly from your phone. It's a rare mix of simplicity and innovation. Registration is quick, and you can get started with just $10. Their FCA regulation and public listing on Nasdaq add credibility. Trading stocks is commission-free. The downside, spreads on Forex and crypto can be higher than competitors like Pepperstone. We also liked the built-in demo account and educational content. The app gives you a social feed where traders post insights, like a mix of Twitter and investing. Link in the description. Plus 500. Best CFD app for risk management. Plus 500 is focused on CFDs, and their app reflects that. It's fast, minimalistic, and optimized for short-term traders. You can trade over 2,800 CFDs, including Forex, indices, crypto, stocks, and ETFs. The app includes risk management tools, guaranteed stop loss, trailing stops, and negative balance protection. Spreads are tight. There are no commissions. Execution was excellent during our testing. They also offer a demo account, letting you test the app with virtual funds. The design is clean and distraction-free, ideal for active traders who want speed. Plus 500 is FCA regulated and listed on the London Stock Exchange and sponsors Atalanta BC, a Serie A football team. You'll find the registration link in the description. XTB, best all-in-one trading app. The XTB X Station mobile app impressed us with its balance of power and usability. It's packed with features, real-time sentiment indicators, integrated market news, and an economic calendar, all inside the app. There are over 2,100 instruments available, including stocks, crypto, Forex, indices, and commodities. We found execution to be fast and reliable. You can also access live webinars, market analysis, and educational modules from your phone. The layout is customizable, which makes it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Registration link below. Pepperstone, best app for advanced traders. If you're an experienced trader, Pepperstone's mobile options are top tier. You can use MT4, MT5, CTrader, or even TradingView, all available on mobile with support for automation, bots, and advanced charting tools. Execution was among the fastest we tested. Spreads start from 0.0 pips. Pepperstone also offers VPS hosting and API access, rare features for mobile-friendly brokers. Their education content is useful, but more suited for intermediate to expert users. The interface depends on the platform you choose. MT5 felt the most polished on mobile. Sign-up link is in the description. FX Pro, best app for platform variety. FX Pro offers impressive flexibility with its mobile apps. You can trade on MT4, MT5, CTrader, or their own FX Pro Edge. All are available for iOS and Android. They're FCA regulated and give access to over 2,100 instruments, including Forex, shares, indices, and futures. In our tests, mobile execution was fast and reliable. MT5 and CTrader offer advanced charting, risk tools, and smooth performance, even during volatile markets. We also liked the client portal, which makes funding and withdrawals simple on mobile. FX Pro includes negative balance protection and has a long track record, even sponsoring Formula One teams in the past. While the design may feel more traditional than eToro or XTB, it delivers solid functionality for serious traders. Link in the description. At InvestingGuide, we help UK investors choose the right platform based on real testing, not marketing claims. All the apps featured today were tested by our team, and none were included unless they passed our standards. We monitor FCA compliance, performance, user feedback, education tools, and platform updates, so our recommendations stay current and honest. If this video helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe. It helps us a lot. Want more details? Visit investingguide.co.uk. There you'll find up-to-date app comparisons, beginner guides, and tips to make smarter trading decisions. Our broker comparison tool does the hard work for you, showing fees, assets, and key features to help you choose the right platform. All registration links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.